Welcome once again to all of you, and I'm going to be looking at what is going on in the market. Today is Thursday, so this is more or less a technical Thursday because we are going to break down the market once again and look at what to expect from whatever is going on the chart. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about pound JPY, pound Japanese yen. This market has been very interesting. We've traded this market a couple of times on this channel, and it's been so great. And that is because the technical moves on this market has been so clean. It's been so clean to understand, and these are the kind of moves you want to pay attention to when you have a market, which makes it very easy for you to see exactly what is going on them. It is very good to trade such markets. So pound JPY, what do we have? This is my H1 time frame, and on the H1 time frame we can see a very clean bullish trend. So when you understand the trend in the market, you are able to capitalize on whatever the trend is giving you and use that also to get your key levels, because it makes it very easy. And this really depends on how you understand the markets, your type of knowledge you've acquired over the years or over the period of your trading matters a lot. So in this case, we have a very clean bullish trend. In this case, the market has been going bullish for quite some time, and the market has established strong levels, strong key levels at very good points. So what we see here, we see a very good level at this level right here. This is one of the very good levels we have highs on, and the second key level here is right here. This high over here, this is the second key level. So these two places are points of interest in this market. Likewise, this ultimate high. These three are points of interest in this market. Remember, I told you pound JPY has been on a bullish trend. So on this bullish trend, these are the current key level based on the H1 time frame. So on this time frame, we should be looking for what is going to happen with these key levels. So remember, I said this is a very good bullish trend, and on this bullish trend, price is testing a previous high. And I'm simply going to use one of my MT4 tools to mark up this level right here. And let's clear up this drawing and then go on the let's go on the H4 chart to see what we have on the H4. So this is the H4 here. This on the H4 is also a very good bullish trend, right? But on this H4 bullish trend, this looks way big. And then you should also keep in mind on this H4 bullish trend, price looks like it has created a new high. We have something like this on these previous levels. Price did something like, okay, let's go on. So on this price did something like this. We have price created a high right here. We have this high which was created, and then price created this low, and then price created another high one more time. Okay, I have my drawing tools. So we have this something like this, and then price right now has created a new high, and looking at this new high, we should be looking forward to some kind of rejection, some kind of correction from that high as well. So this looks really promising. The H4, we have very good confirmations, and when you also keep your eyes on the H4, you would also notice how price has been creating some kind of rejection right at this very high. And this more or less is a potential triple top market pattern. And when you have a triple top after price has created a new high, you should know what is most likely going to happen. So let's go back to the H1. The H1 is our trend time frame. That is where we are looking to get involved in this kind of trade. So on the H1, what do we have? Like I said, we have a very clean bullish trend, and price is testing that very key level. So we are going to simply approach this on the H1 time frame, and then the first thing we know is that we are looking forward to possible short in this market for as long as that high does not break. This looks very possible for very good shorts, right? We have a short-term short because this is a bullish trend. So the first TP in this case, the first profit target is definitely this low right here, and the second TP target is this next low right here, or probably we may have a trend line in this case. So this, okay, the trend line is being tested already, so the second TP in this case would definitely be this next target. So TP1 and TP2 just like this. This is how we are looking at this market. TP1, TP2, just like this, we have our entry level. For as long as this high does not break, our entry here remains a very good one. So keep in mind, I talked about this ultimate high, possible triple top. We have rejections, so watch out for that. And let's see how price is going to do on that move. That'll be all for now on this session, and watch out for the next technical update before the end of the day. Yes.